When you tell me you love me, baby, I know that you mean it. It's Vince and Brittany with the millennial marriage, traveling with Kiara and Carter. Vince and Brittany, till death do us part. You'll forever be in my heart. Come what may, we'll take it day by day. Vince and Brittany.
Bad.
Will you help me find this? Take this crazy, crazy path. Yeah, don't never look bad.
Hey you guys, first of all, I don't know why the TV has to be up that loud. I mean, guys act like they just cannot hear. I don't understand it. Today is the next day. You've seen us put this together. So that's where that's going to go, right there in the hallway. And can't wait to work on it and hook it on up. So today my Barstools came and I'm so excited. When I ordered them, I don't know what day I ordered them, but I'm gonna put it somewhere in the video. When I ordered them, I was okay getting them whenever they came, because it was like they'll get there like on the 15th. By the 14th, and I was okay with that. But when I told my mom I ordered them, she was like, why you didn't do the next day? And I'm like, it's okay. But she was like, girl, I be wanting my stuff that day. So here they are. And they came in 2 boxes. They came in 2 boxes. So Vince is gonna help me, and we are going to pop them bad boys open and get my Barstools together. So excited. Alright y'all, let's get to it.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Get in. You sit in my camera.
Baby,
Sit in it.
hold on. We just stopped at step 2 now. Step 3 say do what?
Get in there. Pop, I can let the thing down, man.
This up high. You doing that?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Hey! It's like we ain't screwed nothing down.
You never screw down. Is it somebody that screw down?
So by you pumping it up,
Hold on.
I don't want to hear that now.
I mean, they go at the bottom, but it's fine.
Me and my baby did that. Hey guys,
We am. You better change that to we am.
I am very satisfied. You don't even know what I was gonna say.
We are very satisfied. I am. Go ahead. Talking about we am. All that screwing I just got through doing.
Baby, they seen you help. Ain't nobody
We am satisfied.
we are very satisfied with how it turned out. How they turned out. Love, 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 love.
I am. Somebody.
Baby, they saw that you helped, boo. Ain't nobody trying to. Yeah, they are so cute. They are gray. They just on the dark side. This is my gray nest. So now I'm at the bar. I'ma buy you a drink. Ooh. So now whenever we can act like we at a bar for real. We can make us some drinks.
Yeah, you gonna give me your number?
Yeah, I give you my number. And we can just sit up here, just chill out, get us some LED lights.
Don't make me one real quick. I'm gonna roll up to the bar.
This this just the whole vibe. This is a whole vibe.
I'm suing you because you ain't got handicap access to your bar, ma'am. You getting sued.
The way you rolled up, I got all the access.
I'm suing you. Make me a drink. I want to drink up here at the new bar.
I don't know if we're ending the
What's
vlog.
the name of your bar? Club Brittany?
If we, don't you see, I'm trying to end the vlog. I think if we are ending the vlog, we're gonna go ahead.
Gonna end this vlog. The vlog is over.
Thank y'all. Let me pull it up so I didn't got them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Got my Barstools.
We'll see what you order next, you guys.
And I got to do my Entryway Table, so can't wait to get that together and share that with you guys. Thank you so much for being on this journey with us, and hope you guys enjoyed this home update today. What you want to say? Because you just standing hovering over me while I'm trying to.
I'm glad y'all on the journey, but if y'all got any donations that y'all can send to Vince and Brittany, we'll be greatly appreciated.
They can buy us a cup of coffee.
I need some tables and some end tables and some lampshades. Eat them out a cup of coffee.
Y'all, please do not deal with him tonight. All right,
Because she turning my pockets inside out.
Thank you guys so much.
I got bunny ears.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Bunny ears. Look at
and
my
we will
bunny
see
ears.
you guys on the next video. Bye.